Welcome medicos. So in this video we are going to talk about the FAQs which NMC published regarding the UG-MSR 2023. So we'll be looking for these particular questions. So in this video we'll talk about these three questions. These frequently asked question has 13 questions, but we'll see these three important questions. So the Aadhar enabled biometric attendance system and closed circuit TV monitoring, for whom this is applicable. Then whether the college can be allowed to apply for increase in seats beyond seat capacity of 150 or not. And then one question is whether the Department of Respiratory Medicine and Department of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation can continue functioning after the publication of these guidelines, the UG-MSR guidelines 2023 or not. So the question is whether the colleges can be allowed to apply for increase in seats beyond the capacity of 150. Then no, the medical college and institute shall be allowed to increase its admission capacity beyond 150 after the publication of these guidelines. However, such medical college institute who have already applied for increase in MBBS seat for 250 for the academic year 23-24, but they were not granted the permission due to any reason, they may seek or apply for permission to increase in admission capacity with the same number, either 200 or 250. In the year 24-25, and this provision is applicable to them only for 1 year, that is 2024-25. In case they fail to obtain the permission for increase in MBBS capacity, admission capacity in MBBS course during this academic year for any reason, admission shall be restricted to 150 seats only. Now, what are the prerequisites for application for increase in seats to a limit of 150? So, first, the college seeking increase in seats for admission shall have admitted batch fulfilling all the criteria of number of seats admitted for the preceding academic year, and also shall be fulfilling the minimum requirement for increase in seat capacity. The medical college shall follow the ratio of 100 MBBS seat for 10 lakh population in the state or union territory. Now the very important question here is, for whom will the Aadhar enabled biometric attendance system and closed circuit TV monitoring is applicable? All the medical colleges are required to install AEBAS linked to command and control center of NMC. It is mandatory for every faculty and every student of medical college, institute and hospital to mark their attendance through AEBAS only. This shall be the sole responsibility of the management of the concerned medical college institute to install the required number of biometric or face recognition machines and provide other necessary infrastructure for the same. Thank you. Hope it was helpful.